Right now, anyone who has an online store is losing 70% of the sales they could be making. That means for every $100 you could be selling on your site, you're losing 70 of them. Not because you're not running ads, not because you don't have enough visitors, but just because there's a tiny leak in your website that's causing you the biggest loss ever. In this video, I'm going to fully explain where this leak is, why it exists, and how you can fix it. So stick with me till the end of this video. Statista.com, which is a very reputable website when it comes to publishing reports, research, and data about markets and consumers, has released a very interesting and honestly kind of scary piece of data. According to Statista, in 2025, the average cart abandonment rate is 70%. That means, on average, out of every 10 shopping carts that users create on websites, 7 of them get abandoned without ever turning into an order. There are a bunch of reasons why a customer abandons their cart without paying, but one of the biggest reasons is that usually users don't have a compelling or urgent reason to pay right now. For example, imagine I go to a website as a user, I excitedly add a bunch of products to my cart, and when I go to the cart page to check out, my brain starts thinking more logically. I'm like, maybe I don't need this right now. Maybe another website sells this product at a better price. Maybe I should think about it more, and so on. As an online store, we need to make users feel like if they don't complete their cart right now, they're going to miss out on something. This is called FOMO, or fear of missing out, and it's one of the fundamental pillars of marketing and high-performing campaigns of the year. For example, most people on Black Friday prefer to buy something even if they don't actually need that product. And the reason is they see Black Friday as an opportunity that's about to disappear. So the main driver behind Black Friday campaigns is FOMO. We need to add this feeling to the shopping cart. In 95% of online stores, the shopping cart is the one page that gets absolutely zero attention. It has no special design, no elements to encourage the customer, nothing. Basically, we've completely ignored the most important part of our website, and it's turned into a massive leak. If you agree with what I've said so far and you're ready to solve this problem together, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because we put out content here that helps you boost your sales without extra ads and with the same traffic you already have. If you Google it or ask AI how to reduce cart abandonment rate, they'll give you a bunch of reasons and a bunch of methods. Like they'll say, simplify the checkout process, don't force users to sign up, and so on. But I want to share a trick with you that if you do this, the user won't even care how complicated the checkout process is or whether they have to sign up or not. Just do this one thing and you can forget about thousands of other tips and optimizations. Make the user feel like they need to place their order immediately or they'll miss out on an opportunity. One way to do this is to create a pop-up on the cart and checkout page that shows up when the user is about to leave that page. For example, look at this. Imagine this is your cart page. I've added some products to it, but I'm hesitant to place my order, and eventually, I decide to leave. The moment my mouse moves toward closing the tab, the website detects that I'm about to leave, and this pop-up shows up. Inside it says, wait, before you leave, we have a discount code for you, but you only have 10 minutes to use it, and place this order with 10% off. Cart exit pop-ups are among the highest converting pop-ups out there, and on every website they've been implemented, they've generated a ton of sales. Because the user has already gone 90% of the way, and we just need to give them that little push to finalize the payment. Building this pop-up is super easy. No coding needed, no complicated setup, just a few simple clicks with Notifall and you're done. Notifall is a tool for displaying smart notifications and pop-ups that helps you convert a higher percentage of your visitors into customers or leads. Without needing to run more ads or attract more visitors, it helps you convert a bigger chunk of the visitors you already have into customers. To build this pop-up, just go to notifall.com and click on Start for free. Create your account, and in the License Manager section, set up your trial account. Then go to the Download section and download both the Lite and Pro versions of Notifall. After downloading, go to your WordPress dashboard, and from Plugins, then add New, first install the Lite version and then the Pro version of Notifall. Once Notifall is installed, it'll appear in the left menu. Hover over Notifall to open the menu and then click on Connect and Activate to be redirected to the Notifall website. Now here, just click on Connect and Activate on the trial license you created so the license gets connected to your website. After the license is connected, you'll be redirected back to your site and you'll see a success message. Now from the top menu or the left menu, click on On-Page Notifications to see the list of notifications. Scroll down a bit and you can see Notifall's library of ready-made notifications that can be imported and displayed with just one click. Here, just search for ID 71 in the search section, and when this pop-up shows up, click on View Details and Import. Now depending on the builder you have on your site, import one of the versions. If you use Elementor, import the Elementor version. And if you don't have Elementor, import the block editor version. The block editor is built into WordPress itself, so you don't need to have any special builder installed, and it works on all WordPress websites. After you've done the import, a new notification will be added to the notifications list. You can toggle it on or off using this button. But before activating the notification, click this button so we can change some settings. In the Edit Notification section, click on Display Rules, so our notification only shows up for users who are about to leave the cart and checkout pages, not other pages. To do this, just click the Add Your First Rule button. Set the target type to Page. When you select Page, it automatically changes to Post type. But don't worry, this is not a bug. It automatically selects Page as the post type here. Now set Post Items Visibility to only specific items. And in this section, search for Cart and Checkout and select them. Then click Save Rule. Finally, go to the General section, turn on Enable Notification, and click Save Notification. Now go to your cart or checkout page and test the pop-up once. And definitely remember to create the discount code that's in the template on your actual site. You can also fully customize the discount code, the text, and everything else by editing the template. All right, so up to this point, we were able to easily build a cart exit pop-up with Notifall that really helps reduce the cart abandonment rate. This is just one of the things Notifall can do for your website. There are several other notifications that can be even more useful than this one. Another highly effective notification for online stores is discounted product notifications. You build a notification or pop-up once, and whenever a product goes on sale, it automatically shows up to users. You don't need to create one for every single product. You build it once, and it displays automatically. Or, for building trust, you can use social proof notifications that say something like, Sarah from New York and 26 other people purchased this product in the last week. You can create welcome message pop-ups that greet users who just arrived on your website and give them a discount code for their first purchase. And thousands of other ideas that can be different for every website. We have a campaign called Same Traffic, More Sales, where we fully review your website and build all the notifications that can boost your conversion rate and sales using Notifall on your site. Everything is done completely free for you. And over 14 days, you get to see how much Notifall has increased your sales. And if the results from those 14 days blow you away, you can extend your trial license. The only bad news is that our capacity for this campaign is limited, and we can't review too many websites. If our capacity fills up, we might not be able to review your website, and you'll have to build the necessary notifications with Notifall on your own. To sign up for the campaign, just click the link in the description or type notifall.com/sametraffic more sales into your browser. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to hit that like button and leave your feedback in the comments so we can improve our content. And if you're interested in learning methods that help you boost sales and increase your website's conversion rate without spending on ads, definitely subscribe to our channel. The next video is coming soon. I'll see you there.